Hello there, guys. I just thought I'm going to show you the quality of a quality key lock bought at the Clas ohlson. It's really good. Bought this one at Clas ohlson in Norway. You see the key. Takes care of the lock, and it's locked. I'm just going to put my tension wrench here just to show you guys the quality of this super professional lock. I was just trying to rake it with my rake gun. If you see here the quality of this amazing lock, just put my tension here. And all I did was to put the bump key inside the bump key machine, and it went up like this. Thank you, Clas ohlson, for selling a high quality product. Now it's locked again. You can see locked here. Just going to try once more. It was a bit too easy this time. Never been easy like that. I'm sorry about the angle, but it's not really easy, man. Just wiggle it a bit. There you go. Unlocked again. So, thanks again, Clas ohlson. Your product is of really high quality, and I love what you sell. Thank you.